Hey everybody, welcome back to the crazy place. Glad you could join us today. And today I'm just going to show a quick demonstration on how I clean my leather boots. Now I wear Red Wing leather boots on the job site when I'm cutting wood. A lot of times I wear them to church. So this is how I clean leather boots. There's a lot of people do it a different way, but this is the absolute easiest. I feel like it's the quickest, and truly I really think it's the best way to do it. I'm going to start off a little hyperlapse here, and obviously take your laces off, and what I use is Dawn soap. I do not get extreme. I do not worry about the big fancy cleaners on my boots. I put Dawn soap on them, I scrub them down, I wash them off with water, and I will not even really let them dry before I condition them. Now, once I get my boots clean, I will spray these down with a product that's been around since 1943, and that product is fluid film. And as you can see, it says on the can, penetrant and lubricant. This is a lanolin based, chemical free product that absolutely tops every other product, in my opinion, on the market. Now, if you are unfamiliar with fluid film, you can use this on a variety of things around your home. For example, I use it on our lawn tractor, wood splitter, wood stove, garden tools. I undercoat the truck with it, door hinges around the house. This is basically a must-have for everyone. Keep it in your truck, at home, wherever. Now, once I'm done spraying my boots with fluid film, I will wipe these down with a microfiber towel. And as you see, it's very, very thick on those boots. Now, you can leave it thick on there, let them sit overnight, and that leather will pull that lanolin into the leather and help soften and nourish that leather. But I wipe them down with a microfiber towel, which leaves an excellent shine. The boots look excellent once you do clean them with fluid film. I will wipe them down, and then I will take the laces and I will run them through the microfiber towel so that they soak up a little bit of the lanolin, and let these boots sit overnight, and it will allow that to soak in, and they will look almost like brand new boots on the next morning. There's a lot of shine right there. Now the day after, I wish I had a picture on there. Now the day after, the leather had pulled a lot of that in, and the shine was not quite there. And it was on some of the leather, but not all of it. But these are boots that are worn every day in the dirt, dust. They get concrete on them. I'm in the woods with them, so they definitely get used and abused. So take your laces and just put them on the microfiber towel, pull them through one time. It gets a little lanolin on it, and that will help lengthen the life of the laces also. So once I'm done spraying fluid film on the boots, wiping them down, I'll lace them back up and let these boots sit overnight. And you'll notice here in this very next clip, these boots are extremely waterproof. And I have tried a lot of products that do work very well, but I don't believe I've ever came across a product quite like fluid film. Look at that water come off those boots, and that leather is going to soak all that up. And I highly recommend you all look at fluidfilm.com to check this stuff out.